Yo, what's good, my people? You know what it is. It's Zed Nom Reacts, where we keep it real, louder, and full of vibes. Sheffield 187. Alright, so we are checking out this song. It's an old song from Broke Nolunkumbwa album. I chose to jump on it because it's one of my favorite songs from this album, and the reason is because it explains my character. That's exactly who I am. This video just came out an hour ago by the time I'm recording this video, but it's an old song from the album Broke Nolunkumbwa. Most of you are familiar to this song. So what are we gonna do? Should we do a breakdown of this song? What do you think? Alright, let's do a breakdown. Okay!
King Crazy running things. Great.
So the title of the song is Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. It's like I'll go to the graveyard with my secrets. That's deep, eh? Alright. Rewind selector.
King Crazy running things. Great.
Security, yobe kwa inedi sefu Zed loyo nigga paka nwala teti Whether tuambane tumfwane you are safe Le dashaba ya wen shaba peti
At security kwa inedi sefu Noro tuambane ule tashava ya wepantu nshaba peti Kafu afenayo nkaya afenaye na kunshinshi. That's how it is. Some of you guys, just the moment we fight, you go out there to tell all the secrets about me. You go there to say a lot of bad things about me. Why are you guys like that? But to him, he's a loyal person. Everything you tell him, just know that they are safe. And that's how I am. You tell me something, just know that it's safe. I'm not gonna tell it to anybody. I'm gonna keep that secret for you. That's me. And that's Sheffield 187. That's the reason why I love Sheffield 187. Okay? Wiratarika no kutarika. Don't shusha. Okay.
Kote Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi Nabane Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi.
Look at that video. He chose to die. They are asking him. He won't reveal the secret. He will keep the secret. Whatever is gonna happen to him, he doesn't care. Is it difficult to be like that? Imwewa gaya ba murumo paka nwalionse wo. Kufanya no. I would rather die than revealing my secrets. Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi apanaba mukakap. Barefo kumwempaya. But asunga fe Inkama kufa fe na no.
Kunshinshi Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Being friends if you busa twadipange chakosa danda.
Being friends if you busa twadipange chakosa. We've been friends for a long time, and our friendship is very strong. That's the best. Our friendship is very, very strong.
Ale wangu kudi fiance besti asusa social media bamuteka po mudi lwakosha bamukona akwenefdala voko ninkosha.
I'm always quick to, to respond to whatever, or he asks me to do something. I'm always quick to respond. On social media, they try to fight him. I'm always in the corner fighting for him. That's how loyal I am to this friend. Let me ask you. I don't know if I have a friend like that. I don't know. But do you have a friend like that? You need a friend like that.
Ukwangalo kukwachide chibululu girlfriend ulesta suspect chigololo whip say now kwenu kesambona chibulu shibe polo chimu.
If you are suspecting your girlfriend that she's cheating on you, she's doing it chigololo, and you ask me, I'm not gonna tell you anything. I'll keep it to myself. Why should I tell you? Why should I say anything? Inkama shandinka afena shena kumanda. Naba mona na yoka imwena we mwini. Fya kwishba we mwini. Shide fweche mfuru ene.
Shamu mwene puchu chimfulu. And then apart from him piane fibiongo, don't see finger let up with fiongo. Bagati yesu nina kokuba the bigger person. In fact, Lord, to your apande question.
Apart from him piane fibiongo, pakati keso, I don't know if finger let up with fiongo. If fibiongo fe, if finger let up with fiongo pakati yesu na you. Any issue to do with money, that's the only thing that can bring confusion between us. That's the only thing that can separate us. If none of these, nothing can separate us. But I'm tired being a bigger picture in this friendship. You don't say sunga Inkama, but abafiapa. Last while, you start questioning his loyalty. Wamona. Kuba ko loyo kubane. N'umuntu obengali baloyo nayo kuba loyo nga mwasunge Inkama babiri bonse kusunge Inkama kufu afena no.
Bagati yesu nina kokuba the bigger person. In fact, Lord, to your apande question.
Sorry, I said the bigger picture, the bigger person. Palas loyalty akuna ambo kuichita question.
And then apart from him piane fibiongo, don't see finger let up with fiongo. Bagati yesu nina kokuba the bigger person. In fact, Lord, to your apande question. Papi do tu menshi tatulanda. Nadumfa wadamba go kulanda. Kunteka popo mishine mitanda. For a patunda mfefeko siki.
You know, papi temi tatulanda ningufa pamumushina wambo kunteka po. That's how some friends are. You know, just a simple friction. They go out there bambo kura bwata kura kulanda po kura kuteka po mumishi bare kuteka po. Ulemfaza ma stories that na bakuteka po kuna bakuteka po. Ambo kuda wanamba yashani. Ero nyishiwe ta umuranda po no kumuranda po muntu. You know, I'm a victim of that. Ero bonse mwe bachitefe obviously namwe ishiwa. People would go out there, start talking about you, start saying bad things about you. But you know, that's not loyalty. If I talk to somebody about something, of course it's just between us, the two of us. But if they go out there, start revealing whatever we talked about just because we had a simple friction, we had a simple argument, and then they go out there to tell all the things that you talked about, all the secrets that you kept together, that's not good. That's not good. Bamba fyokura kuteka pwe mwaba muna bari wachabe wachabe nywebu. Oh, what a good song.
Question. Papi do tu menshi tatulanda. Nadumfa wadamba go kulanda. Kunteka popo mishine mitanda. For a patunda mfefeko security yobe kwa inedi safe. As a loyal nigga pakanwala teti. Whether tuamba ni tumfwane you are safe. Le dashabaya we shaba peti.
You know, your secret to me is safe. Whether we fight, we have arguments. Inefya kuranda tawakangu fipakanwa. You won't hear me revealing our secrets. I'll keep everything to me. Just thank God that in Shaba petty, I'm a loyal person in Shaba petty. I'm not petty. No, don't be like that, you know. Especially guys, leave this to women. These are for women. But for guys, of course, if you are a guy, if you are kurandaranda, you know, there is always a way you can sort out these problems, not by so just know that secret kuli yali bafe safe, secret yobedi onse fe wanje ba yali ba safe. That's my character. Okay.
Dashabaya we shaba peti. Nani kote Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi.
Yeah.
Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Nabale Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Panda chali mbwena after breakup. Yonse wacha wishi vya malofa good to take up. Yonse wacha vena mwela wonse.
Ichipanda chali mbwena after breakup. Yonse wacha kwishiva malofa good to take up. This is now talking about a relationship. The first verse was talking about a friend, just a friend, a best friend. Now this one is talking about a relationship. Ichipanda chali amboku to take up after breakup. Yonse wacha na malofa good to take up. Just after we broke up, everybody have been talking about us.
Panda chali mbwena after breakup. Yonse wacha wishi vya malofa good to take up. Yonse wacha vena mwela wonse good to seka. Chachina la fill up was zero chance to make up. She said that was a beauty.
Even social media, just after breakup, it's all over social media. Once an hour to take up, the all social media is talking about you. Chachine fill up. You know that phrase that came? Fill up. Chachine fill up. So when I'm where once an hour to take up with fill up. The whole social media. Oh my goodness. Guys, whatever go serious. But who takes it to social media? Mwara unfoko today.
Panda chali mbwena after breakup. Yonse wacha wishi vya malofa good to take up. Yonse wacha vena mwela wonse good to seka. Chachina la fill up was zero chance to make up. She said I was abusive, said I was a cheater. Telling if ya munganda ku Facebook na Twitter. Seko ya banandi wonse maule ba Twitter. Plus a certain sele ate ule ba quick.
She goes to social media telling everybody that I'm an abuser, I'm a cheater, taking everything, all the issues, all the bedroom issues, ukifivika pamwera na pa Twitter. Everybody starts calling my circle that, wonse aba mauli. But we tata mauli wonse. You break up with a woman, they're gonna take everything to social media. Hey, tapade for baba, hey, chave, hey, kabata, na ku bedroom takuwa banani. How these issues, you've seen that happening. Mwalifi mwana pofira chitika.
Telling if ya munganda ku Facebook na Twitter. Seko ya banandi wonse maule ba Twitter. Plus a certain sele ate ule ba quick. I wish you busy na master.
Plus a certain sele ate ule ba quick. You know what it meant? Ule ba quick. Kwa babali kwa tabali fuana celebrity. Bali anomba. Ever quicker, she has a certain celebrity. She's now going out with a certain celebrity. But I'm for fiance in daytime, but relax. More relax, fear. Oh, listen to this.
Said I was a cheater. Telling if ya munganda ku Facebook na Twitter. Seko ya banandi wonse maule ba Twitter. Plus a certain sele ate ule ba quick. I was sure busy na ma status akunkarifya. Yale kambo ni umane kumpanika. Thought I was the victim all along. Chalo cha mobili.
And busy na ma status akunkarifya. Tale kamba mwode umwana akunkarifya. And that's the thing, especially if you are a baby daddy, she'll go to social media, posting statuses of, making you feel bad and stopping you from seeing the child. They'll completely block you from accessing the child. But if I've had to that's the only way they can fight you back. Shadow boxing big. Women, wewe nakashi. Ultimate status.
Then sele ate ule ba quick. I was sure busy na ma status akunkarifya. Yale kambo ni umane kumpanika. Thought I was the victim all along. Chalo cha mobili vana shala fiola alone. I was sure side their story and shimama. Out of respect no kutino musebanya. Bika blame padi nebo.
At I became a victim all along. Chalo cha mobili vakai. I just let the world believe her because that's what she wants. The side of my story, I'll just keep quiet. I won't respond. I won't say anything. I'll just let the world believe her. I don't care. Because I don't care. I don't care. Do you care? I don't care. Let the world believe her.
I was sure side their story and she mama. Out of respect, no kutino musevanya. Vika blame paddy neighbor paddy fiance wanya. Kana fyo kumbo, just do what you wanna. Security, yobe kwa inedi sefu.
Vika fiance paddy no musevanya. Nka fena fyo kumbo wanya. I'll just die with my secrets. Put the blame on me. Say whatever you wanna say. Let everybody believe you. I don't care. Kafena fiena kumbo.
Teti, whether twambane, tumfwane you are safe. Le, dashabaya wen shaba peti. Nadi kwate Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Nabane Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Inkama Nkaya Nasho Kunshinshi. Security, yobe kwa inedi sefu.
Sefu. I'm not petty like you. Whether tumfwane twambane shaba petty ne. Inkama shadinka afona shokunshinshi ne. I'll keep my secrets. I won't review anything because I'm just a loyal person. When you tell me your secrets, just know that they are safe with me. Be like that. You have to be loyal. If you're my secrets, kufisunga fyain. I don't know about gero nga fyapa no chukuyapa ma social media. Okay, nanguba pa social media, don't respond to them. Just keep quiet. Those people who are close to me, who agree to this, who attest to this, that's what I say. I don't care if somebody goes to social media talking about me, if somebody goes to destroy my name, if somebody goes out there to say something bad about me, I'm not gonna respond. I'll just keep quiet. I'll let the world believe them. It doesn't matter. I don't care. That's the way I give the side of my story, is to keep quiet. That's all. What do you think of the song? What do you think of the message? Do you like the song? Do you have a friend like that? Do you have a loyal friend like that? Or are you loyal to your best friend? Can you keep the secrets? If you can, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, nefya shala. I love you guys. Bad man, crazy man. I'm out.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see